Alright, this is Saturday, the 26th of October. Been working on scrapers. It's hard to tell, but it is an absolute muddy mess up here. We got 40 hours of rain non-stop. I probably got 2 inches altogether. It was a mess. Anyway, cylinders are installed. It's old equipment. Likelihood of finding what you need is pretty much nil and none. So I got the stroke right on the cylinder. Originally the rods were 6 inches longer. The end, when it's fully retracted, came out to about here, so they had to be cut and re-threaded. I got a buddy of mine that's a machinist. He did that for me, pretty reasonable. Ain't got the bill yet, but he always treats me right. So that's the two-wheel scraper. I set it up with a tractor. I'll set it to cut no more than 3 inches deep. That's all you need. I tested it last night. Box goes like it's supposed to. The rams do exactly what they're supposed to do. Everything's lined up. Nothing's in a bind. So over here on the four-wheel scraper, these deep tracks. It's muddy up here. See over here. Of course, I got that John Deere 2030 weighted up something fierce now. It's pushing 10,000 pounds. And more mud. I got mud all over me. On this the four-wheel scraper, I had to center bore the pinhole up here. The original pins are 3/4. This is set up for 1 inch. You got a magnetic drill. Fairly easy. Just do a quick center bore through that. It's about 5/8 plate. It's pretty thick. Didn't take no time. Took longer to set up. This one will drop another 1 3/4 inches. It's hard to tell. It's already dropped about 3/4 inch, so it'll do a 2.5 inch cut as I got it set. It put some shims in here, block it up, and I got Zerk here, nose grease fitting back here. This is the pivot. It just hardly moves when it's functioning. All the hoses are anchored back. So if it ever dries out, I hook onto it, double check my work. Old red clay mud up here, it sticks to you. Gravel sticks to the mud. Yeah, it's just a mess, but I didn't want to wait. Have some bad news in the family. Gerda's mom passed away yesterday. She's getting ready to fly back to the Philippines. I'm gonna be gone in about 3 weeks. Real sorry for her mom, but she led a full life. Just had her 75th birthday just a few days ago. And your body just wears out. And that's pretty much it when it does. This is youth deer hunting weekend. One of my cop friends is going to come up, bring a boy up. They're going to spend the night. I'm going to put a tent over there on the deck. They're going to spend the night, hunt in the morning. My other buddy, he's a sniper on the SWAT team, and it's also archery season, and he got him a deer last weekend during archery season, or it might have just been a few days ago, I'm not sure. And he spent the night up here, over there on the deck too. Real nice people. I don't mind them coming up here at all. Actually, Robbie, my friend, he built that little lean-to cover. I already had the picnic table. He brought a bunch of chairs up, had some. And again, they're real nice people. I don't charge them anything. I did all the planting on the food plot just because I like them. So anyway, that's about all for today. I'm going to try and get some of the mud off me. Load up, head to the house. Thank you.